Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to submit your site to Google. Okay, this is one of the SEO you know engines you can use to make your site appear on Google. So take example, let me just search for a random site. I can say designed live church. Okay, so you can see this is a design live church. Just by searching for design live church, for example, it appears on Google. This is the website and this is the URL. So we're going to be doing this through what we call Google Search Console. Okay, Google Search Console. So by Google Search Console, we are able to manage our site on Google. We're able to submit our site to Google and put up pages, update pages. If we have a blog, continue to update our blog, and all that. So it has several rich features. We're also able to see the amount of people who visit our site through the inbuilt analytics, on Google Search Console. Okay, so this is one of the sites I've submitted previously. This is Kiwitins Foundation, and able to see some data here. We're able to see some performances. Okay, we're able to see the URL inspections, which ones are on Google, which ones are not on Google. Okay, so through Google Search Console, the first thing we need to know is that we need to submit the URL, or the property to Google, what we call property. So to submit your site, if you don't have a Google account, it's going to show you where to sign up and all that. Sign into a Google account or create a Google account. So if you have an email, you can simply just log into this Google Search Console. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to have our site in online. Okay, we need to have our site online through a domain and hosting. So if you don't know what domain and hosting is, go through the previous video. So the domain and hosting video I made, I used a free hosting, but for this I'm going to use a paid hosting. Okay, because the free hosting were kind of restricted. Sometimes we try to submit it to Google, it it's not coming up and all that. So I'm going to be using a paid hosting. Okay, so to use a paid hosting, I come to one of my paid hosting platform known as dreamhost. I'll be attaching this paid hosting in addition to the previous ones I did in the previous video in the description. And let's say we want to install want to upload our code. So if you come here to LVG Cloud, we can see that the site is completely blank. Okay, so I'll be uploading one of our projects we did here in the live class, and I'll just go to manage, and I'll go to manage files, and I'll go to lvgdigital.cloud, and I'll simply upload the files here. Okay, so to upload, I'll come here. Let me upload file. Let me just upload the folder. So upload folder, and I come here and I click on this, upload. Okay, our project has uploaded. I will simply extract this to the default folder, and I cut it. I go back and I paste it outside our folder. Okay, and I just leave it as it is. So if we're to go back to the URL now we're targeting, we're to refresh, so we can see our website is live now. So we can go to Google Search Console. We'll copy this URL, and we can go to Google Search Console, and we simply come here and we add a property. Okay, so I prefer to use this URL prefix. It's very straightforward, beginner friendly. People might not understand subdomain or DNS verification, but this is very straightforward. So if we continue, there are a variety of ways we can verify that we own this website. Okay, so you don't just paste any random website here. You must have access to this website and paste this, certain verification methods. Okay, so I click on continue, and now there are a variety of ways. Here is just to copy, to download this HTML file and upload it to our server. This other one is to put this in this other one is to put this code in the HTML tag, but I'll just choose the first one. Okay, so I'll click on this and download it. Okay, I think it has been downloaded. I go to download, and let's say I cut this and I go to desktop, I go to project, and I try to rename this by removing the one. I think I've downloaded it before, so it has to be just 7.2 at the end. And we go to our hosting platform, our file manager, and we upload this into our file manager. Okay, so I click on upload file, and I click on the projects as the folder. Project, where are you? Okay, and I upload this. Okay, okay, I upload this. Okay, and we go back to our inspection and we click on what, verify. Okay, so that's it. So our verification, ownership verification through the HTML tag has been. Okay, so property has been verified. So click or go to property. Now, if we go back to Google, our URL might not appear on Google. It might take a few days for us to reflect. So similar to how I search for Design Life Church domain, I can search for this. So you realize it might not be on Google yet, so it's not yet on Google. But in the next few days it's going to be on Google. Okay, so by this we have been able to submit our sites to Google for indexing. We can check on performance later on. We can check on we can inspect the URL. So once it's on Google, we'll have data, so we can test live URL. Google, we can request indexing. Okay, so what indexing is that we are requesting for our site to be put up by Google. We are requesting for the URLs to be put up on Google. Okay, so I'm requesting the site to be indexed, and our request is going to be on queue. So it's going to be on queue. We dismiss. We can request indexing for every other page. Okay, so that's for the home page. We go to about and request indexing for the about, and we put this up. So it's not on Google. We can request indexing. Okay, so we go to projects, and we request indexing. We inspect the URL. It's not on Google. I request indexing for this page. Okay, so I think we go to the last page, or services before the last page, and we also copy services and request inspect the URL, and also request indexing. Okay, so we go to contact, and we request indexing. We check the URL inspection and request indexing. Okay, so we have been able to request indexing for all pages. So in the next few days, our website, or the next few hours, our website is going to be online, and we'll be able to people will be able to search for the name of our website online. So guys, that's how to submit your site to Google and make it appear visible on Google. We can also delete this property. Okay, if we don't want to if we want to remove our site completely from Google, we can also do that. So to do that, make sure that one email address or one account can have multiple website or properties, as they call it. Okay, so you can choose here to add another property, and do the same thing over and over again. So if you want to delete this from Google, simply make sure that our property is on the selected property, and we go to settings, and we can request our website or our property to be completely removed. Okay, so we can remove it from here. Okay, so I won't be doing that, and you can see the name of ownership verification is verified. If it's not verified, we're not able to do anything. We're not able to remove it, not able to add pages, not able to index